my name is Sarah. Hi, my name is Sarah.
Hi, Sarah. Welcome to Camp Adventure.
Thanks. So, by the request of NorCal Training Sites, Emerald Color Group, Go Hornets, I will be doing the 3 major site-supported English songs that we do here at Camp Adventure on video for them. In this video, we'll be doing Lean on Me. 2 quick notes. 1, right is always right in Camp Adventure, except when you're talking about signing. Because when you sign, you use your dominant hand. So if you're left-handed, use your left hand. I'm right-handed, I'll be using my right hand here. Number 2, I'll be doing the song all the way through, and then I'll be breaking it down verse by verse, piece by piece. So whatever you need to learn the song best, if that's listening to it all the way through on loop, do that. If it's listening to it broken down, watching it broken down, do that. If it's both, do that. And we're just gonna jump right into it with Lean on Me.
This is for that little child with no father, for that man that doesn't have a place to stay, for that little boy living with AIDS. Gonna tell you a story, you can lean on me. There's a man, oh yeah, standing on the corner. He has no home, he has no food, and his blue skies are gone. Can you hear him crying now? A girl searching for a father and a friend, crying out, storms come tenderly. But instead of walking away, open up your heart and say, tears. I'll be there in a hurry when you call. Friends are there to catch you when you fall. Here's my shoulder, you can lean on me. Here's my shoulder, you can lean on me. Here's my shoulder, you can lean on me. But you're also my brother. Here's my shoulder, you can lean on me.
All right. In my humble opinion, this is the hardest out of all the signed songs. So I'm going to take my time. We're going to take our time with this one. So to start off in the beginning, I know in some other songs we snap or we ooh in the opening of a song. We don't do that with this song. It's a little more serious. There's that narration in the beginning. We want to give R. Kelly his time to talk there. So we wait and we start with when he says, "Can I tell you a story, tell you a story?" And it goes really fast, I know, so let me break that down. Can, this is can, I tell you a story, tell you a story. And it goes really fast, it goes, can I tell you a story, tell you a story. And he goes, you can lean on me. You can, again, lean on me. And then we get into the first verse, and it goes, there's a man standing on a corner. So make a corner. This is no. He has no, and then draw home. He has no home. He has no food, and his blue skies are gone. Throw it in the trash. It's gone. His blue skies are gone. Can you hear him at your ear crying out at your mouth? And there's a girl. This is girl. There's a girl searching for a father. So this is man. Remember that? And so if you just stay up here, it's father. So searching for a father and a friend. So this is friend. Praying that someday the storm will end. You can do it that way or you can do it that way. Will end. All right. And then we go, but, so this is B. This is B. So, but instead of walking away in the trash again, instead of walking away, and this trips people up. Open up your heart. So that's it. You're opening up your heart and say, and then here's the chorus. I am here. You don't have to, with a W, worry. I can see your tears. I'll be there in a hurry when you call. Friends are there to catch you when you fall. So that's a lot of finger pointing. So let's do that again. So it's, I am here. You don't have to worry. I can see your tears. I'll be there. There's there. In a hurry. We're hurrying. When you call. Friends, there again, are there to catch you when you fall. Here's my shoulder. You can lean on me. So that's the chorus. And then this time we are allowed to ooh. So she's oohing and we're making an O to ooh along with her. And then we go into the next verse, which starts with there again. There's a child. So like giving birth. There's a child who is sick. So like a headache and a stomach ache, who is sick. begging to be free. Or you could just do this. You don't have to do that. You could just do this. Begging to be free, but again, so that be again, but there is no cure. So we used this for food earlier. Don't let that trip you up. We used this for food earlier. You're right, you're not going crazy. This was earlier in the song as a different word. There is no cure for his disease. He looks up. So that's pretty straightforward. He looks up to his mother. So just like before, man turned to father, girl looks up to his mother as she holds his hand, praying that someday the sun will rise again. So one hand, my right hand, goes someday, and then the opposite hand, the sun, and then you point between your fingers like the rays of the sun. The sun will rise again. And the pain will end. And then we go into the chorus again. So wait, let's recap that. So it was begging to be free, but there is no cure for his disease. He looks up to his mother as she holds his hand, praying that someday the sun will rise again and the pain will end. And then we're going to jump back into the chorus. This is for the last time. I am here. No, this is for the second to last time. I'm a liar. I'm sorry. You don't have to worry. I can see your tears. I'll be there in a hurry when you call. Friends are there to catch you when you fall. Here's my shoulder. You can lean on me. And we're going to get fast again, just like in the beginning with that. Can I tell you a story? We're going to get fast again. So it goes, tell me how can I? So let me break that down. Tell me how can I? So tell me how can I love Jesus? This is love Jesus when I've never seen his face. Yeah, I see you dying and then turn and walk away. So hold my hand. Let me take you to a friend of mine who's waiting just to ease your troubled mind. And he goes, he loves you more than you'll ever know. And then instead of walking away, then we have this bit again, open up your heart and say, and then it's a really long say. And then at one point she goes up a note, A. And then this is where we start singing along with the signing. So we did that really long say, and now this actually is the last time we're going to do the chorus, and we go into it singing. So, I am here, you don't have to worry, I can see your tears. I'll be there in a hurry when you call. Friends are there to catch you when you fall. Here's my shoulder, you can lean on me. And then we do that again. Here's my shoulder, you can lean on me. And we do it again. Here's my shoulder, you can lean on me. And then he says in the background, you're my friend, but you're also my brother. And then we do it one last time. Here's my shoulder, you can lean on me. And that's the end of the song. All lot of moving parts, a lot of pointing, but just practice it, okay? All right. And then we have, I am editing this because there's no way I do this again. That is so long. This is a long, arduous experience. Dang it, we don't ooh. We don't ooh and lean on me. Dang it. I keep making rookie mistakes.